If you want to wipe cache partition on the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first of all, you will have to just start from turning off your phone. And next, you will have to connect a USB cable into your PC, and this second end of the cable, you will have to connect into the USB-C port of your phone. Now, you will have to wait a few moments until you will get charging animation. So not like this one, you will have to wait around 10 to 15 seconds until you will get this animation at the bottom of the screen. And then we'll be able to go forward, enter for the recovery mode, and perform this wipe cache partition. So now you will have to use two buttons combination. You will have to click and hold power key and volume up button at the same time. So let's do this. And keep holding power key until Samsung logo appears on the screen. Now release and only keep holding volume up button. Keep holding all the time. And now you have to use volume down button to scroll down and select wipe cache partition. Click on the power key to open it, scroll with the volume down button, select yes by using power key, and now it will be finished. And all you have to do right now is just to click on the power key to reboot system now.